When it comes to credit cards in India, the competition between the banks and credit card companies is immense. Each one is trying to outwit the other by incorporating some exclusive feature in their offering. Well, without a doubt, swiping credit cards cuts down the cost of transactions and you enjoy a series of benefits such as cashback, reward points, instant discounts, etc. One conundrum that you might face while comparing the best credit cards is to make a choice between cashback or reward points. Hey guys, this is Simran from ClearTax and today I'll be talking about reward points and cashback offers in order for you to make an informed decision before choosing a credit card. But before we begin, do not forget to press the bell icon and like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. So let's begin. Every credit card has a bundled rewards program that provides you interesting discounts and benefits on specific transactions. Bonus reward points are also awarded at the time of signing up for the card on transactions at specific merchants, on payment of renewal fee, and various other instances. When sufficient reward points have been accumulated, you can redeem them to purchase more products, services, or vouchers available in the catalog under the reward program. Some banks also provide you the choice of converting reward points into air miles as well. Redeeming reward points is quite easy and can be done through the internet banking account. Some of the best credit cards in India now come with the cashback program. Herein, you earn a certain percentage of cashback on eligible transactions with your credit card. The cashback is credited to your account instantly or at the end of the billing cycle according to the credit card you are using. It must be noted that not all transactions are eligible for cashback, that is, this benefit is available with select merchants and brands only. Moreover, it is easier to calculate the benefits you will be earning with cashback cards as the percentage is already specified at the time of issuance of the card.
The first one is eligibility. The best part about reward points is that you have the chance to earn reward points on every transaction with the credit card. In case of cashback, you have the opportunity to earn cashback on specific transactions at particular merchants only. Moreover, there is no capping on the maximum reward points you earn in a month, but maximum cashback is usually limited for each transaction and each billing cycle. The next one is calculations and variations. Reward point system varies as per the ongoing offer. Some transactions might offer you one-time reward points while others might fetch you 5 times reward points. The value of points is then redeemed in the form of gifts, discounts or cashback. However, in the case of cashback credit cards, you are awarded a percentage of the transaction as cashback and the same is intimated to you before availing the card. The next one is expiry. In most cases, reward points have an expiry date, that is, you need to redeem them within that period or they will lapse. Though in the case of cashback, there is no need to worry about the expiry date. The cashback is credited to your credit card and can be used as and when you desire. The next one is redemption. Reward points can only be used to purchase products or services offered in the catalog or in some cases can be converted to air miles. But most of the items in the catalog are overpriced, so you end up burning more points. This is not the case with cashback. You earn the fixed percentage of cashback on completing transactions at any of the partner outlets. The next one is minimum requirements. There is a minimum transaction amount specified to be eligible to earn reward points. This can lead you to overspend and purchasing useless stuff. But in the case of cashback cards, there is no minimum transaction amount and you will earn the cashback for every transaction. The next one is user friendliness. Understanding and maximizing the benefits of reward points programs is not that easy. It requires an experienced credit card user to make the most of the opportunity. In the case of cashback, even a new user can use the credit card as the cashback program is self-explanatory. The last one is bonus. You can earn a lot of bonus reward points on specific transactions on a particular day or at a particular merchant. You also earn bonus points at the time of signing up. But there is no opportunity of any bonus with cashback cards. You can only earn cashback on eligible transactions.
In all, both reward points and cashback are two of the popular parameters for selecting the best credit card. You should only opt for the credit card that fits your lifestyle and usage patterns. Besides, also look for features such as annual fee, add-on cards, annual benefits, and additional benefits. Compare different cards and choose the one that best matches with your requirements. Well, this was it for today's video. Let us know what you think about the video and comment below if you have any doubts. We will try to reply to it as soon as we can. Stay tuned to our channel for more informative videos like these. Till then, goodbye and take care.